So we're back with Remi Warren and the Sako S20, and Remi, we've talked a little bit about the S20 being a modular rifle and how we can change it from a hunting configuration to a precision rifle, and we've now done that conversion, and here you can see it in its precision setup.
Yeah, that was pretty quick. That's pretty cool. So tell me about, now we've got like the different stock, we've got a different forend. We might as well just go through everything that is now on this rifle.
Yeah, let's go through
the same
some of these
rifle.
features, right?
If I had sighted it in the other, it's all the same, just the stock is.
Yeah, that barreled action is still attached to the same aluminum chassis that it started with in its hunting configuration. So nothing about the point of impact will have changed. What we've done basically is changed the bodywork. So if we start at the back, you've got this very ergonomic, perfectly fitted precision stock that allows you, from that more lying prone setup. As you can see, lots and lots of features on this one. We have the adjustable butt pad that you can adjust for height and for side, and we'll show you that in a little bit. And we've got the height adjustable cheek piece with the numbering system on it again, so you can always return it to where you have it set. You've got a nice offset palm swell, so it really fills your hand well. And as you can see, we've added the accessory thumb rest, which we have for both left and right hand. And then we have the forend, the precision forend. As you can see, that is a thicker piece. So as you can see, it's set up now for a number of different M-lock attachments, including things like bipods. Obviously, we have a barricade stop, and right down here we have also a monopod that we've designed specifically for the Sako S20 that will slot right in there. So lots of different features. As you can see, there's a 10-round magazine. That would be 7 rounds for the Magnum calibers, but 10 rounds for rounds like the 6.5 Creedmoor. So really well set up. You're good to now go out onto the PRS circuit or into the long range circuit and have a gun that's going to perform really, really well.
That's cool.